In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an email address or domain in Outlook. If important messages keep getting sent to junk, this walkthrough will show you how to mark a sender or an entire domain as safe so those emails land in your inbox every time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. Click the official Outlook site from Microsoft to open the web version. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that first so you're looking at your mailbox. Once Outlook is open, look at the top right corner of the page for the small gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Click it to open the Settings pane. In the pane, choose Mail to switch to the full mail settings. Next, select Junk Email. This is where Outlook controls what gets filtered, and it's where we'll add safe senders and domains. Under Security Options, you'll see choices that affect how strict filtering is. A helpful option here is Trust Email from My Contacts. Turn this on if you want messages from people saved in your contacts to skip the junk filter automatically. It's a simple way to reduce false positives if you already keep your contacts up to date. Now, to whitelist a specific address or a whole domain, go to the Safe Senders and Domains section and click Add. In the box that appears, type the exact email address you want to allow, like someone@example.com. If you want to allow all messages from a company or organization, enter the domain instead, such as example.com. That tells Outlook to trust any sender from that domain. Double-check for typos here. Even a small mistake can prevent the rule from working. After you've entered the address or domain, confirm by clicking OK. You should see your entry appear in the safe list immediately. This means Outlook will treat future messages from that sender or domain as trustworthy. Before you leave, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the Settings area and click it to apply everything you just set up. If you navigate away without saving, Outlook won't remember your whitelist. That's it. You've told Outlook exactly who to trust, and you've enabled an option to trust your contacts for extra peace of mind. If you still don't see expected emails, take a quick look in the junk folder and mark them as not junk. That helps reinforce your settings. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to keep the right messages in your inbox.